Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Xiaomi Redmi A1 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Xiaomi has introduced its new ultra-budget model, Redmi A1, for the release of which the network has recently been actively fueling interest. This is the first sign in the new Redmi A series, which will produce very affordable smartphones. The first region where the novelty debuted was India. The smartphone will be available there from September 9th at a price of $81 for the version with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal flash memory. 5 megapixels waterdrop notch, dual main camera, 8 and 2 megapixels, MediaTek Helio A22 Society, 5000 mAh battery with support for 10W charging. Supports 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.118 B per gram N, Bluetooth 5.0, GNSS. There is a 3.5mm audio jack and separate slots for 2 SIM and micro SD memory cards. The smartphone has an Android 12 operating system without the MIUI shell. The dimensions are 164.9 by 76.75 by 9.09 mm and the smartphone weighs 192 grams. This concludes the review. Bye bye.